numbers, I think I made it. I showed my mom my first million, she damn near fainted.
Alright, so that was a creepy spin. That was creepy. Alright, so we got a lot to talk about. This is going to be an excellent video because I haven't done one of these big pickup videos in a while, so I'm very due, and I've got so many pickups to share with you guys, it's insane. I'm going to say this first, it's super hot out. I got my windows open right next to me, and I'm probably going to be sweating, and there may be a little bit of background noise. Just deal with it. Sorry about that. And then next, I'm going to be brief with everything. Usually I provide a lot of details. I may skip over some of those just because I have so much to show you. But anyway, I am hyped on everything I'm about to show you guys, so let's get into all of it right now. First things first, we got to talk about this t-shirt I'm wearing right now. It is from Reebok and New York Sunshine, a collaboration they did at ComplexCon. I went out to ComplexCon with Reebok, and if you missed the video I uploaded on Friday, you got to go check that one out. It's definitely one of the better videos I've done recently. You'll get a better appreciation for this t-shirt from that video because it's essentially a one-of-one. He was designing t-shirts on the spot. So be sure to check that one out after this video or now or whatever. But let's keep it moving. Next pickup, we got something coming in from Dick's Sporting Goods. And if you didn't know, pretty much Dick's Sporting Goods is hooking me up with some of the newest models that they have from all sneaker brands. They've been sending me a couple pairs to try out each month, which is awesome because they have a great selection, ton of brands, and you know, Nike has been releasing a ton of new models as well. So I'm getting to try them out. And that's exactly what I've got here. So this month, we've got the new Nike Air Max 200. If you're unfamiliar with these, this is the first time they've released. They hit for 120 bucks. Now, I always think it's cool when Nike releases sneakers that are affordable and obtainable. So stuff that's like 90, 100, 120 bucks, I think is a good look, especially when it's a new design. But what really drew me into these, like, you know, you see pictures of these sneakers, right? And it's like this, right from the side. But Air Max sneakers have so many details on the top of the upper. So these really look awesome when you're wearing them from a different perspective, not that straight sideline view that you're used to. Up top, I love the detailing and the panels that they've got going on here. I definitely found these comfortable. I actually think that these are more comfortable than the 720s. I know that sounds crazy. A lot of people are calling this the Gucci colorway because of that green, red, and black towards the back of the sneaker. These type of colorways are exactly what I look for in the summertime, and this would definitely be a solid going back to school sneaker. Let me know down in the comment section if you guys want to see some back to school content. I'm always a little iffy if I want to do that or not, but if it would help you out, I will. So let me know down in the comment section. Sizing wise, they fit true to size, but it's a snug fit. So if you're in between, I would suggest going a half size up or go into a Dick's Sporting Goods and try these on yourself. But let's keep it moving. Okay, next up, we're going to get into something from Jordan and something from Jordan and Nike together. Honestly, even though both of these sold out, I still feel like they're somewhat underrated on the hype side of things. You don't really see or hear many people talking about these, and I don't know why that is. This shoe was something that I knew I was going to get immediately if I was able to. Try it on the sneakers app, obviously an L. Literally, I get an L on everything on the sneakers app still. But after doing a little bit of searching, I was able to grab a pair of these off CCS. It took probably 2 weeks for them to ship to me, and I was a little bummed about that. But you know, you've seen this shoe. I don't really need to talk about it much, but that Jumpman right there has everyone in their feelings. So you mean to tell me that one little added detail to a relatively simple sneaker is gonna upset you? How could that be? I think that that is so cool. I hope they do more stuff with Eric Koston. That has the Jumpman on the toe box there. Let me know what you guys think about it. Let's get into this next one. Okay, so I think the retail price of this shoe had a lot of people passing on it, and I get it. I do think that these were too expensive. They hit for $225. I believe the retail price was, yeah, $225. They should have been $190, but you know, I splurged given the fact that I really like them and I wanted to get them. So here we go with the Air Jordan 5 Michigan. First things first, if yellow on sneakers is not your thing, all right, you're really not gonna like these. I've been feeling yellow in general a lot recently, especially on sneakers, and honestly, they reminded me of the Tokyo 5s just a little bit, just enough for me to grab a pair. I'm not even really into 5s like that, so the colorway has to be super strong. I won't spend much time on these, but I'm just a little surprised that more people aren't talking about them, wearing them. I haven't thrown them on feet yet, but I will. All right, where are we going next? Where are we going next? Let's do some clothing, because there are so many clothing pickups in this video, and I'm sorry, nothing's like presented well. I'm literally gonna unbag it and show it for you here. Let's start here. If you didn't know, Union and Jordan Brand did another collaboration on just clothing. There was no sneakers involved. So the only place you could buy this clothing was at Nordstrom or Union. And I was able to grab a couple things from Nordstrom online. This is one of the t-shirts, and I'm gonna be super brief. Just gonna show you guys the graphics real quick. These hit for 50 bucks each, which is pricey, but the quality is certainly better than a standard Jordan Brand t-shirt. I guarantee Union made these t-shirts, and this isn't a Jordan Brand tee. It's definitely way better than that. It's obviously this neon green color, and then you've got a retro basketball graphic to the back. In the front, I thought this was pretty cool. It says Air Jordan from Nike by Union. I just think that that's cool for whatever reason. And then I also got a second tee. This just has a graphic in the front. You know, it's a throwback Jumpman flight logo. And honestly, I was thinking this was gonna be a little bit more purple, and I could rock these with my Aqua 8s. It's definitely more of a blue in person. But let's talk about this t-shirt real quick. It is ultra washed. It's a black tee, I guess you could say, but it almost looks bronze in person. I don't know how they did this or if you're even gonna be able to see it, but this literally looks like a t-shirt from like the 70s that has been washed a million times. I went with my true size, which is XL. I'm 6'2", 190. And then of course, while I was on Nordstrom looking at these Jordan tees, I hit myself with an impulse buy. Like, it really doesn't happen to me too often. I seek things out and then I buy them, but literally I saw these. It was a model I've been wanting to try out. It's by Adidas, and I got them. So, impulse sneaker buy also was on the menu. There's probably not many people that have made a video about this sneaker yet. This is a pair of Adidas Oswegos. Wow. This colorway is nuts, man. Check these joints out right here. Bam. I'm glad that it got cloudy real quick, because these things are lighting up the room. I literally just got distracted for like 10 minutes because I was looking at all these. And nice. I also didn't realize that these came out over a month ago. Summer is flying by. Let's make a little bit of room, reorganize a little bit, but Oswego in this crazy green colorway. This is a shoe that will maybe end up at the outlets for like 30 or 40 bucks, or it's gonna sell out and you'll never see it again. I don't know what's gotten into me this summer, but I've been feeling loud, bold sneakers a lot more. I don't know if it was because I was rocking so many basic essential sneakers for so long that I was like, all right, I need some color, more of it, that sneakers like this, I'm drawn in. Let's get into more clothing, shall we? Actually, real quick, let me show you guys this. Reshoevn8r sent over this package, and a lot of you know I'm not too big into cleaning products. I kind of have my own methods as far as how I handle cleaning my sneakers, but they sent over every product that they have. So I thought that that was kind of a cool package. I'll give you a quick peek. We'll see if I actually use this stuff. If I do, I'm gonna share it in some videos going forward. But I'll tell you what, I typically don't use the regular solution and brush, and like, I don't go to that extent. I like things that are quick. You know, I wanna clean my shoes on the fly in a jiffy. So we'll see if any of that stuff works for me. I need this towel right now because I'm sweating. But there's a lot of good stuff in here. Oh, shoe trees. That's kind of dope. Do I have anything that needs shoe trees? That's cool. So thanks to Reshoevn8r. If I use this stuff, I'll tell you guys about it. If I don't, then this is the only time you're gonna see it. That's how it is. All right, let's get into some shorts. I got two pairs here, one from Reebok, one from Jordan Brand. These are sweat shorts. They are washed diamond sweat shorts, and this is my third pair. When I found these on deep discount, I had to grab them. I'll try to link as much of this stuff in the description as I can, by the way, so be sure to check there. But summer essential for me right here. When it's not a crazy hot day, then these get worn a lot. I've got the purple pair and I've got the blue pair. Now there's a few other colors that I really want to get, but washed diamond fleece shorts from Jordan Brand, excellent. Low key, recently, Jordan Brand has been stepping up their clothing game. It's a lot better recently than it has ever been. That's just my opinion, of course. You may totally disagree, but speaking of brands with good apparel, Reebok Classics up in here. These are the type of shorts that you throw on a super hot day. They are very thin nylon. It's almost like a bathing suit. Shouts to Reebok. They sent over a package with a ton of dope stuff. These shorts were definitely my favorite item. So anytime I'm wearing Reeboks this summer, I'm probably gonna be wearing these shorts too. This all over print just works on here because it's not too loud. It's a dark gray over a black. You probably wouldn't believe how long it's taking me to do this video, like, I don't know, an hour at least. All right, so last up, we got some gems. So it's been no secret that I've really been into Undefeated's clothing this summer, and a lot of the sneaker boutiques, their clothing has been great. Bodega is one. Extra Butter has had some nice stuff that I haven't picked up yet, but I want to. Anyway, Undefeated, they have fire clothing, especially their t-shirts. So I've probably bought at least a dozen this summer. So when I found out they were having a big sale and I could get a lot of their stuff 40% off, I hopped on it. Shout out to one of you that let me know they were actually having this sale, because as soon as you hit me up, I went to their site. I'll be super brief with these. This one is lime green and it says Undefeated Sportswear on the back. I didn't have any of their tees in this color. Straight up summertime vibe right here. And I also got the same exact t-shirt in apricot. This is a pigment dyed orange and it looks absolutely amazing. Same logo. I'm really excited for this one. This is the abstract tee, so you got a little bit of art going on in the front. It says Undefeated and color hits. That's what I look for in these type of t-shirts. Can I rock a yellow sneaker with this tee? Yes. Can I wear a blue sneaker with this tee? Yes. Can I wear a red sneaker with this tee? Yes, you get the idea. Another white tee, and it's got like this old school like gym membership type logo in the back. Thought it was really cool. And then one last t-shirt. I believe this one is relatively simple. It's black. Yep, nothing on the back here. Just a small logo on the front of this one in purple and green. I was liking those highlighter colors right there. I also got another pair of socks that I don't have because I've already worn them. I got a hat. You'll see that in a lookbook or something like that. And I grabbed these mesh varsity shorts. I thought that these were black. I guess they're navy. That works though. Simple and clean varsity shorts here with an embroidered patch on the left side, the Undefeated strikeout logo. Mesh shorts have been a lifesaver this summer. If I'm not wearing mesh shorts, I'm in sweat shorts like these Jordan ones, either or. All right, so there you go with all of my new pickups. Hit that thumbs up if you enjoyed this video. And as always, thank you to you guys for supporting this channel and tuning in. I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.